this machine places empty capsules into a circular metal disc. The capsules are automatically uncapped. The machine then fills the lower part of the capsule with the Nutrilite compound, which has been fed into a hopper on the machine. The disc is weighed, and the weight and the batch number recorded by the operator. Thus, we see another step in the rigid control exercised by Nutrilite products. The filled disc is now returned to the machine for capping of the capsules, and the finished capsules are ready for packaging. Several times during the processing of each batch, samplings are made, and an extremely sensitive and delicate scale is used to ensure the correct weight for every batch of material processed. Thus, more rigid control. Samples also go to the Quality Control Laboratory for analysis to make certain that the Nutrilite rigid standards are maintained. Processing of the minerals is also done with great care. The minerals derived from alfalfa, watercress, and parsley by Nutrilite processes, and the added minerals used in Nutrilite food supplement, are here carefully weighed and measured. Another step in the rigid control. All the mineral ingredients are placed in this machine and thoroughly mixed. To ensure proper consistency, the mixture is spread on trays and placed in a drying room. Following the drying process, the mixture is placed in an oscillator, which sifts the material into a fine granular form ready for tableting. The mineral mixture is fed into a hopper in the tableting machine and is drawn down onto a revolving plate which contains indentations, each of which is filled automatically. Two sets of plungers work together to compress the mixture into tablet form under several tons of pressure per square inch. And here again is further evidence of Nutrilite's constant control. Throughout this stage of the operation, the tablets are sampled frequently and weighed on these very delicate scales. The weight and batch number are recorded, and samples also go to the Quality Control Laboratory for analysis to assure that the high standards are maintained. When it has been determined that the mineral tablets and the vitamin capsules have met the rigid Nutrilite requirements, both are brought to this room for packaging. The filled capsules are emptied into hoppers, from which they are drawn by slotted trays into bottles. Thus, the count is automatic. This operation also permits a last visual inspection. As the filled bottles move along the line, a special machine stuffs cotton into each bottle to ensure a firm pack. To guard against oxidation, this machine draws off the air and forces a harmless inert gas into each bottle. The bottles are then sealed airtight automatically by a machine that firmly affixes the screw cap. The bottles are now ready for labeling. Here, the final operation takes place. Labels are affixed to the bottles mechanically, and the bottles are now ready for packaging. The mineral tablets are emptied into a hopper and then are fed into automatic counters. The counter releases the tablets into cellophane bags, which are then placed in boxes. A last visual inspection is made here also. The bottle of capsules and the box of tablets are packed into one box. And once again, we notice that each is identified with its batch number. The package is then sealed in cellophane, packed 1 dozen to a carton, and the operation at the Nutrilite Products plant is complete. From the time the barreled alfalfa, watercress, and parsley meal left the Nutrilite Products farms, through the extracting, adding of minerals, crystalline vitamins, and vitamin concentrates, measuring, boxing, and weighing, a constant check has been made and a constant control maintained. Headquarters for the complete control plan are the Nutrilite Products Laboratories, also located in Buena Park. The activity of the Nutrilite Laboratories is divided into research and control. The equipment here is some of the most recently developed and most unique in its field. The finest and most definitive mineral analysis is ensured by the use of the spectrograph, invaluable in the type of analysis carried on in the laboratory. The Nutrilite Laboratory is not only evidence of the thoroughness and care which is lavished on the preparation of Nutrilite food supplement, but it is a constant reminder of the unceasing efforts in the direction of further progress in the field of food supplementation made by this highly competent, carefully trained staff. Let's return now to the Nutrilite plant. Here we have seen the preparation of the Nutrilite food supplement, the ultimate destination of which is your home. Here in Long Beach, California, are located the offices of Meitinger and Castleberry. Meitinger and Castleberry Incorporated is the exclusive international distributor of Nutrilite food supplement. This building and the large, highly trained staff are needed to meet the tremendous demand for Nutrilite food supplement. These young women are handling the correspondence made necessary by the hundreds of thousands of men and women who avail themselves of Nutrilite food supplement. And in turn, the entire sales organization was made possible by the founders and chief executives of Meitinger and Castleberry Incorporated, Mr. Lee Meitinger and Dr. William Castleberry. These two men provide leadership and inspiration to the many thousands of distributors of Nutrilite food supplement. So we bring to a close the story of the preparation of Nutrilite food supplement, from its start in the alfalfa fields of the beautiful Hemet Valley, through the precise scientific compounding of the Nutrilite concentrate and the added crystalline vitamins, vitamin concentrates, and minerals at Nutrilite Products Incorporated, through the unceasing research and analysis at the Nutrilite Laboratory, through each step of rigid control which assures you of the greatest accuracy and the highest quality. Nutrilite, truly a distinguished product among food supplements.